Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and allows me to talk about more so broad levels. Crypto markets are open 24/7. So yeah, this chart is going to continue to change. So if you're watching this a couple of days from now, my main focus is to keep the chart relevant for you. And just by talking about some of these broader levels, you can therefore ask yourself, all right, well, where does the price currently stand in regards to this level or that level? And that'll help, like I said, keep the chart relevant for as long as possible. And that first key level that you need to be asking yourself about, like I said, whether you're watching this 10 minutes after I post it or, a couple days, is where's the price stand relative to this red line right here at 6,600. For you, routine viewers, I've been talking about this the past couple of days, and surprise, surprise, it is still acting as this level of resistance, which the chart did forecast it would do. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can't break above it. My point is it just makes sense why the price is currently struggling right here around that 6,600 mark. So again, that's going to be the first level to ask yourself, is the price up above 6,600 right now as I watch this, or is it down below it? That's why I'm always a little jealous. For those of you that are watching this a couple of days from now, you have hindsight now at your favor. You're going to know exactly what the updated chart is looking like. But like I said, that's definitely that first level to keep an eye on. If the price is up above 6,600 when you ask yourself that question, the next key thing to ask yourself is, well, where does the price stand in regards to 7,000, or in other words, this red line right there? Now, if the price is up above 7,002, then that would imply that the bulls are having a very, very good weekend. So keep an eye on those two levels. Now, in the event the price is not above either of those, then, really the next overall level of support to keep an eye on is going to be the green line down here, which I've talked about time and time again, and that's just at the round number of 6,000. So 6,000 definitely going to be that key level of support. And finally, if you're watching this on Sunday, let's just say, and the price is down below 6,000, well, the exact opposite would be true, that the bears are actually having a very good weekend. But there's no doubt about it, these are definitely the key levels to watch over the weekend. So we'll see what happens with it. Also, probably worth watching that purple line right there, which will potentially act as a level of resistance. That's the 50-period simple moving average, but one step at a time. And that first step is, can the price actually get above 6,600 and then stay up above it? So we'll see what happens, but could be a very entertaining weekend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.